Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Learnivo IELTS Speaking Podcast, your trusted companion for mastering the IELTS speaking test. I'm Learnivo, your host, and today we're going to talk about something shiny and expressive, jewelry. Jewelry is more than just decoration. It reflects who we are, our culture, our style, and sometimes even our emotions. From simple rings to elegant necklaces, it tells stories about our lives and traditions. So let's begin today's speaking practice with some real IELTS-style questions and model answers that move from easy to more complex ideas.
Do you like wearing jewelry?
Yes, I do. I enjoy wearing small and elegant pieces because they add a nice finishing touch to my outfit. I'm not the type of person who wears a lot of accessories, but a simple bracelet or a ring makes me feel more confident and stylish.
How often do you wear jewelry?
I wear jewelry almost every day, even if it's just something simple like a pair of earrings or a watch. It's become part of my routine. I feel that without at least one piece of jewelry, my look feels incomplete.
What type of jewelry do you like the most?
I really like silver jewelry because it's versatile and not too flashy. It can be worn with casual clothes or formal outfits. Silver also feels lighter and more modern compared to gold, which is often more traditional.
Do you prefer gold or silver jewelry?
I prefer silver because it matches my skin tone better and gives a clean, elegant look. Gold jewelry can be beautiful, but I feel it stands out too much for my personal style. Silver feels more subtle and sophisticated to me.
Did you wear jewelry when you were a child?
Yes, I did. I remember my parents gave me a tiny gold chain when I was a baby. I didn't understand its importance back then, but now I realize it was a symbol of love and protection. Many children in my culture wear small jewelry for good luck.
Have you ever given jewelry as a gift?
Yes, I have. I once gave my best friend a silver necklace for her birthday. It had a pendant shaped like a heart, which represented our friendship. She really appreciated it, and I think it was more meaningful than giving something ordinary.
Do you think jewelry is a good gift idea?
Absolutely. Jewelry is timeless and personal. It's not just about how it looks, it's about the meaning behind it. When you give someone jewelry, it often becomes a keepsake they treasure for years. It's a beautiful way to show love or appreciation.
What kind of jewelry is popular in your country?
In my country, gold jewelry is very popular, especially during weddings and festivals. People wear gold necklaces, bangles, and earrings to symbolize wealth, happiness, and tradition. However, younger generations are now leaning toward minimalist designs made of silver or stainless steel.
Do men in your country wear jewelry?
Yes, many men do. Some wear rings, watches, or simple bracelets. In traditional ceremonies, men might also wear gold chains. I think men's jewelry is becoming more fashionable nowadays because it helps them express their personality and style.
Is jewelry important in your culture?
Yes, it is extremely important. In my culture, jewelry often represents family values, social status, and emotional connections. For example, brides usually wear gold jewelry during weddings as a sign of prosperity and commitment. It's not just decoration, it carries deep meaning.
Do you think people spend too much money on jewelry?
Yes, sometimes they do. Some people buy expensive pieces just to show off their wealth, which I think is unnecessary. Jewelry should be appreciated for its beauty and emotional value, not just its price. However, I understand that for some, it's also an investment.
Would you like to receive jewelry as a present?
Yes, I would love that. When someone gives you jewelry, it feels very personal and thoughtful, especially if it's something meaningful, like a handmade bracelet or a necklace that represents a memory. It becomes more than just an accessory.
What is the most special piece of jewelry you own?
The most special one I have is a silver ring my mother gave me when I graduated. It's simple, but it holds a lot of sentimental value. Every time I wear it, I'm reminded of her support and encouragement throughout my studies.
Do you wear different jewelry for special occasions?
Yes, definitely. For daily wear, I keep it simple, maybe just earrings or a watch. But for special events like weddings or parties, I choose more elegant pieces, like gemstone earrings or a statement necklace. Jewelry really helps me feel more confident at such events.
Has your taste in jewelry changed over time?
Yes, it has changed a lot. When I was younger, I liked colorful and big accessories that stood out. But as I got older, I started to prefer minimalist and classic designs. I now believe that less is more, and simplicity often looks more elegant.
Do you think young people are interested in jewelry today?
Yes, I think they are, but their preferences are different from older generations. Young people prefer trendy, affordable jewelry made from modern materials like stainless steel or leather. They use jewelry as a form of self-expression rather than a symbol of wealth.
Why do you think people wear jewelry?
People wear jewelry for many reasons: to look attractive, to show their style, or to express their identity. Some wear it for emotional or cultural reasons, like family heirlooms or religious symbols. Jewelry often connects people to their roots or memories.
Do you think jewelry will still be popular in the future?
Yes, I'm sure it will be. The materials and designs may change, but the idea of wearing something beautiful and meaningful will never disappear. Jewelry has existed for thousands of years, and it will continue to evolve with human creativity.
Would you buy jewelry online?
Maybe, but I would be careful. I prefer to buy jewelry in person so I can check its quality and design. Online shopping can be convenient, but sometimes the actual product doesn't look like the pictures. I'd only buy from a trusted store.
What do you think makes jewelry valuable?
I believe value comes from both material and meaning. A diamond might be expensive because of its rarity, but a simple handmade bracelet given by a loved one can be priceless. True value lies in the emotions and memories attached to the piece.
And that wraps up today's episode of the Learnivo IELTS Speaking Podcast. We hope these sample answers gave you useful ideas and natural expressions for your IELTS speaking practice. Remember, the key to a great answer is to be relaxed, confident, and personal. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the Learnivo YouTube channel for more IELTS tips, vocabulary lessons, and speaking practice sessions. Thanks for listening. And remember, keep learning, keep improving, and keep shining bright like your favorite piece of jewelry.